What if I told you that every song you've ever created with Suno AI could actually sound like you? Not some random AI voice, not a generic singer, you, your tone, your character, your voice, just better than you ever imagined it could sound. Most people don't know this is even possible. By the end of this video, you're going to have a complete step-by-step system to make it happen. No studio, no expensive gear, no editing skills required. Stay with me, because what I'm about to show you changed everything about how I make music. And I think it's going to do the same for you. Here's the thing, Suno AI is genuinely incredible. The music it creates sounds professional, emotional, and cinematic. But every time I listened back to my songs, something felt off. The voice wasn't mine, it felt borrowed, like wearing someone else's clothes. So I went on a mission, weeks of testing, failing, searching, and when I finally cracked it, the result blew me away. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly 4 steps to take any Suno AI song and replace the voice with your own consistently across every song you create. Let's go. First things first, we need a song to work with. Open Suno AI and click on Custom Mode. This gives you full control over what you're building. Now hit the magic wand icon to let AI generate your concept. Click Write Lyrics and choose the option that fits, or write your own if you're feeling creative. Either way works perfectly. Next, set your style. Again, you can type your own style prompt or hit the magic wand and let Suno surprise you. Once everything looks good, click Create. Suno will generate 2 versions. Let both finish loading before you do anything else. Listen to both. Pick the one that speaks to you, then click the 3 dots, hit Download and select MP3 audio. Done. Your song is ready. Now here's where it gets interesting. Here's the part people overthink, and I need you to hear this clearly. You do not need a professional studio. What you need is your voice, a quiet room, and at least 10 minutes of recording. That's it. No fancy microphone, no soundproofing panels, no expensive software. I recorded my voice on the default voice recording app on my phone, and the results were incredible. So if that's all you have, you're already set. A few things that actually matter. Find the quietest space you can. No background noise, no interruptions, no other voices. Record one voice only. No harmonies, no layers. And here's a pro tip that most people skip. Vary your range. Go a little lower, go a little higher. This helps the AI build a much more complete and accurate picture of your voice. The minimum is 10 minutes. I did 12, and that extra time made a real difference in the quality of the result. Trust me, once you hear what comes out of this simple recording, you'll wonder why you didn't do this sooner. Speaking of which, let's move to the step where the real magic starts. This is the part I've been waiting to show you, and I promise it's simpler than you think. Controller Voice is an AI tool that does something remarkable. It takes your voice recording and turns it into a reusable AI voice model, one that you can apply to any song, any style, any track over and over again. You'll find the link in the description below. Open it up, and on the home screen, click My Controller, then navigate to My Voices. This is your personal voice library. Everything you create lives here. Click Create New Voice. You'll see 2 options. Upload a pre-recorded file or record directly inside Controller Voice. Choose whichever feels natural. I'm uploading the file I recorded on my phone. On the next screen, Controller Voice will show you a checklist of recommendations. Read these carefully. They exist to help the AI build the most accurate version of your voice possible. Once your file checks all the boxes, click My Files Meet the Standard, then upload your recording. After the upload completes, click Create Voice. Give your voice a name, check the confirmation box, and hit Create Voice one more time. Now wait. In my experience, this usually takes just a few minutes, and what comes out the other side is something genuinely remarkable. When it's ready, click Use Voice, and now we're ready for the step you've been waiting for. Here it is, the moment everything comes together. Your newly created voice is already loaded in the voice field. Now we need to add your Suno song as the input audio. This is the track whose vocals are going to be replaced with your voice. You have 2 parts here. Option 1, upload a raw solo vocal. Just your voice, no instruments, no effects. Option 2, upload the full finished Suno song with music and everything. Controller Voice can handle both. For the best results, they recommend a raw vocal. But for this demo, I'm using the complete Suno track to show you it works even without any vocal isolation tools. Drag your file into the input audio field. Once it's uploaded, focus on these settings. They make a big difference. Under uploaded audio type, select the right option. If you're using a finished song with music, select full song with music. If you isolated the vocals, select vocals only. I'll choose full song with music. Now the most critical setting is the pitch shift. This is where most people get it wrong. If the original vocal is higher than your voice, you need to shift it down. If it's lower, shift it up. The range goes from -24 all the way up to +24. The bigger the difference between the original voice and yours, especially when swapping between male and female vocals. the more adjustment you'll need. Since the Suno voice I generated is female and higher than mine, I'm starting at -12 and adjusting from there. Want even more control? Click Advanced Settings. Here, you can choose to preserve your accent or match the input vocal's accent and adjust volume dynamics to better blend your voice with the track. Once you're happy, click Save, then hit Swap Voices. Watch the right side of the screen. Controller Voice is building your song in real time. A few minutes, that's all it takes. And then you hear it, your voice, in a real song.
Under the sofa, the furry gray sea, the Spanish cat staring at me. They got tiny eyes, they got little dreams, a whole hidden world he really just sees.
I'm not going to spoil what that moment feels like for you. You need to experience it yourself. What I can tell you is this. When I heard my tone, my character, my voice coming through a professional sounding track, I had to listen back 3 times just to believe it. The vocal ability the AI gives you is beyond what I could produce naturally, but the identity in the voice, that's completely mine, and it'll be completely yours too. So let's recap what you just learned. 4 steps. Create your song in Suno AI, record your voice for at least 10 minutes, build your voice model in Controller Voice, then use Swap Voices to transform any track into something that sounds authentically like you. Here's your challenge. Go try this with one of your existing Suno songs today. Play with the pitch shift, experiment with advanced settings, and make it yours. The links to every tool I used are in the description below. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe for more AI music tutorials, and drop a comment telling me which song you're going to try first. I genuinely want to know, because once you hear your voice in a song that actually sounds good, you won't go back. Go make something amazing.